Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to get wizard markers and also how to get cough drop markers. So first, how to get cough drop markers is you go to the mountain, okay, and just run over here. Hello Pizza Ethan 2014. So you go up here. Don't know if you run into this wall, and now you have to type hill rock. Okay, did I misspell it? Dang it. Hill rock.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think hill rock means?
Yeah.
Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you can find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that.
So, actually, in this person movie, hill.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else.
Are you sure about that? So, just type it in for a third time.
Gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Pick the marker.
And then what would happen is that it said you got cough drop markers. Blah, 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 blah. Now, off to the Watchable Kingdom biome for the wizard marker. This is kind of a Harry Potter reference, because, well, you'll know in a sec. So first you gotta go to the Watchable Kingdom biome. If you don't know how to do that, go behind the clock tower. Trust, boop. And over here, another trust, boom, clock, boom. Teleports you here. And boop, 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 boop. There's a wizard under the stair. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.